Hello, wonderful people of the internet. We are back. We are ready to do some sanding, see how far we can come. I doubt that we'll get through all the sanding today, but through the magic of editing, we shall carry on in the same episode with the next step. First things first, found myself a little mask to protect my lungs from the resin. I'm going to be continuing on this thing using some sandpaper. I have not been able to find a belt sander, so I've decided to buy myself one. Yay! As always, we'll cue the music now and then. Obviously, it's not a lot, but it's enough to keep a man motivated, you know what I'm saying? Cool.
Familiar silhouette.
I have not really made a big dent apart from that little bit of section. Oh wait, I never did a celebration dance.
Wake up, it's me again. Get up, let's go, my friend. This night is not over yet.
Then the plan is for now to just wait for the sander to arrive tomorrow. Hang on. Right, here we go.
Wake up, it's me again. Get up, let's go, my friend. This night is not over yet. This party will never end.
It's been another 2.5 hours of sanding. I would like to take this moment to thank a few people. 1. Benjamin Franklin, Nikola Tesla, Michael Faraday. Thank you so much for your studies on electricity. And then I'd also like to thank a guy called Bosch. Because of you guys, my job is significantly easier and the effect is unbelievable and I'm super stoked. But now it's time to go to bed because I still have work tomorrow. And what we will do is I have since moved to a new location and I got myself some proper masks. Let's carry on, see what we can get done. I just realized now that this writing here, it's old, but there's a word missing. It's Latin. I wrote in Latin because I'm pretentious like that, but I realized that's wrong, so that needs to come off. And then it's also, if I put the scratch plate on, half the letters are hidden, so I'll take them off, put the scratch plate on, do a nice little line, and then know how big to make them, and then obviously it'll be perfect. The really nice thing is that we're not losing any of the actual drawings after sanding it down. But this is really tiny, so I'm gonna have to work with a really fine hand to make sure the writing is nice and legible. Basically what happened is life happened. New place that I'm living in, I got super busy with a few other projects that I'm working on. Basically, a lot of what I did to the guitar pretty much just happened without a camera filming it. I'm sort of back into it, but then I'll check you tomorrow. If you liked what you saw, subscribe, hit the bell. Otherwise, you know, just go along your merry way, eat an ice cream, drink a coffee, I don't care. See you next time. No, ladies, please calm down. This is not the way I wear it normally. It's just a very practical way of keeping my hair out of my face. Please don't send me any DMs. I'm not going to take your messages. I'm not going to call you back. I'm not going to take you out to dinner. Alright.